Today, I'll walk you through how to download offline maps from Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save maps for offline use so you can navigate without an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is your starting point for accessing Google Maps. Simply type in Google and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the Apps icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can access various Google services, including Maps, so go ahead and click on Maps. Now that you're in Google Maps, you'll want to get directions. Click on the Directions button, which is typically represented by a blue arrow icon. This will allow you to input your starting point and destination. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary by device. Next, type in your first point, which we'll call point A. Enter the address or name of the location in the search bar and hit enter. This will pinpoint your starting location on the map. Take a moment to ensure it's correct. Now let's input your destination, which we'll refer to as point B again. Enter the address or name of the place you want to go and hit enter. You should now see the route displayed on the map. At this point, you can choose your desired route. Google Maps will often provide multiple options based on distance or travel time. Click on the route that best suits your needs. This is similar to choosing a path on a hiking trail. Once you have your route selected, look for the Details button. Clicking this will provide you with more information about your journey, including estimated travel time and distance. Think of it as checking the weather before a trip. Now, to download your offline map, look for the print icon. Click on it and you will see options for printing your directions. Make sure to select Print including maps to ensure you have a visual reference for your journey. Finally, when the print dialog opens, choose to save the document as a PDF. This way you can access your offline map anytime, even without an internet connection. It's like having a physical map in your pocket. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.